like I said, as I was invited, my mind was just to get to the point where I'll miss the question and they'll say, "Oh yeah, drink." So at least we are here now. Ladies and gentlemen, thank God it's Friday. We here. I'm here because I actually want to drink. But then I feel like I'll look like an Olodo. So I'll try to answer the question as best as I can. But I have my please, I beg. If you see I don't get them too much, if you just, miss them, so go feed myself. Maybe I know who you be.
So if one person says we both drink.
Me, I don't like drugs.
Is that what? It's not a drug.
Oh yeah, Chelsea keeper, Caesar.
Caesar what?
Aspiculator. Aspilicueta. Caesar. Caesar for Caesar.
Can I help you?
Can she help me? Okay.
CAE.
Oh, Caesar. CAESER AZP Aspicu CU LIETA or ATA. My English hard.
Aspiculator.
Aspiculator. And the ball soccer. Caesar is CAESER AZ. That's it. We've gotten Caesar already. CAESER SAR. Now I will be together. So
okay.
We don't get the Caesar. I'm not spell the Caesar again. Keep it remains aspiculator.
He said as.
I see they see for the game like this.
Can you pronounce it well? Aspilicueta. So AZPILI Aspilicueta. CUETA.
That's my baby girl. Aspilicueta. Bono, you don't record like that. Go ahead. More drink because it will correct.
No.
Okay.
The first TV station.
Yeah. It got be NTA.
Exactly.
It no be NTA, it go be OGTV, but I get feeling say now or OGBC.
OGTV, you know.
OGBC pass OGTV. If not be NTA, it go be OGBC because I know say automatically they always talk OGBC that year, now OGTV. But in the between NTA and OGBC.
I'm Gen Z, I don't know.
I'm Gen Z too. How did I now know?
Are you sure?
OGBC or NTA? Hold on. This OGBC. Which one do you pick? Let's go with
OGBC. Because I've never heard of it before.
OGBC. No, I'm in the media now, so Otoma talks about these things. I think is Nigerian Television Authority. Does that mean it's the first one to come? No, it's in Ibadan.
BCUS.
It's in Ibadan because I say that they say that the first uni is from Ibadan.
Is it not Ibadan?
Yes.
And
BCOS. What's in the apple? But where in the
can you drink both of them?
Where in the fuck like this? Where in the Ibadan? I know it's in Ibadan, but
just drink both of them. Thank you.
Take your drink. Let's cheers to our Olodo.
I know the one in the TV media.
But then I said Ibadan. It's just that the name is too long. Western African, Nigerian.
That's a very long walking process now.
Wait, they don't finish.
That's
no,
the
let's cheers.
I can't even remember that.
Yeah.
That's extreme math.
Bro, but why?
I just want to ask this kind of questions in this show.
It has to be Asia.
Exactly.
Come on, man. That's be Asia, man. The largest continent in the world.
It has to be Asia.
It has to be Asia, bro. Can be Africa, can be America. No, even though I didn't do geography.
Can be Australia either.
But then can be Australia. It has to be Asia. Come on.
Yeah.
Is that what we are going with?
Yeah, we're going
Asia. Stop now. Why you going to like say stop? Yeah?
Hmm.
Nah.
That's not even general knowledge because people don't know that. Many people in Denmark know what they use in Denmark.
I mean,
Money.
I'm trying to think we have an idea. I don't
Denmark.
have any idea. Denmark.
Denmark dollars.
Oh, that's smart though. Or Denmark pounds or something. Denmark is not America. Denmark is Europe. Denmark euros.
Denmark
like my
euros.
final answer. Denmark euros.
Euros.
Maybe pick a move.
Krone.
Denmark krone.
Krone.
Like 30,000 krone. 1,000 krone.
Jesus.
There's not even ESF.
You want to take my own and let me point it.
Take your,
Please drink
carry your cross. Carry your cross. Okay, so NASA intentionally give us question we no be
Like, what
10
the
naira.
fuck is what's the currency of
Na no be ask
Denmark?
who is on 10 naira.
Like, who even stays in Denmark?
Na no be ask what's the color of 50 naira. Big. I never said that. What you just mentioned.
The word you
The
said.
word is over G.
Drive. Steering wheel. Do something. Driving. Driver. Car. That was the first thing I said.
One more.
Yeah.
No go mistake, dog. Eating. Massaging. No.
Sex.
Remember, you're not supposed to say those words. Let it be your subconscious. Okay? No matter what, let it be your subconscious, alright? Alright? It's your subconscious. Say
Yeah.
subconscious.
Subconscious.
Say subconscious again.
Why do you have to say it?
You have to be there.
Subconscious.
Say subconscious again.
Subconscious.
Okay, so you know that you're not supposed to say those words. Don't mind that.
You're not supposed to say it.
Hey! Ah!
Dancing. Club. Drinking. Alcohol.
Time is too short now.
You didn't even tell us that we had time. Bathing. Water. Hey. Mermaid. Fish.
Time never up. That time, first time, now give us time, practice one. I don't get the water. I don't mention mermaid. It's supposed to mention and they go. Octopus.
Is there time for this one?
Z. Zagadat. I feel like confuse me with a bomb.
Say the title. Say as the title of the song.
No, the song has to. You have to start the song with Z, and the song started with Zagadat by Mr. Easy. He said Zagadat.
He said no, yeah.
Who is saying no? You don't say anybody. You have to look at your face.
I never said no now.
You said it that time.
No. Jesus Christ.
Clean up.
No, you didn't know.
This one plenty.
Chicken. Peru.
Para.
Para.
Ava now.
Yeah.
That was too easy.
Fireboy. K.
Kini issue. Then the money issue. Kini issue by Runtown. From his new album,
Issue.
Dangerous.
Yes, skinny
That he
issue.
dropped in 2020.
Yes. Skinny issue run time.
Okay, so far so good. Thank you. We've come to the end of today's Kenny issue. Well, that was the last thing I said before my co-partner went and said yes. Then he was saying yes. But then, guys, hope you enjoyed watching this. At the end of the day, I did not look like an Olodo as such. We got almost all the questions and answers. It was just yes or no thing that spelled it. But then, keep watching Afro Space TV. They call me VJ MOYO.
I'm Jane.
Jane D.
Jane on plane.
I thought you were the virgin or something.
No.
Say it again.
Jane on plane.
Jane on plane. Okay, so guys, we'll see you some other time. You can follow us on our IG, VJ MOYO,
Jane on plane.
and then Afro Space TV on IG. See you. Peace
Bye.
out.
Afro Space TV, Africa to the wall.